doesn't allow events.
A very warm good afternoon to all wonderful people present today. It's pleasure to start this auspicious occasion by heartily welcome everybody on the behalf of the entire Kids International Senior Secondary Public School.
So, today we have gathered here for the annual Day Kids Carnival 2023. I welcome everybody with my all present greeting, and I wish the celebration makes you smile and cheer you up with full of joy and entertainment. We need your support to make this event memorable and fantastic.
I would like to admit my thought, annual day celebration are not just about celebrating a day, but celebrating a journey.
हौसलों के आगे कोई पर्दा नहीं होता, कड़े परिश्रम का कोई विकल्प नहीं होता, दिल में हो जज्बा कुछ कर दिखाने का तो जलते हुए दिए को भी आंधियों का डर नहीं होता.
This year, the theme of Kids Carnival is the four era means Char Yug. We express our heartfelt gratitude to our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Apurav Devganji, Jiteshwar Surya, Deputy DO, Darshan Jasrotia, Rishabh Sharma, Pankesh Thakur, and various government and private school principals, and all the parents and grandparents of our students, without whose contribution this event couldn't have been possible. Now, I would like to request our worthy chairman, sir, please honor the chief guest with badge. Mrs. Tanvi and Mr. Rajiv Sharma to honor our chairman sir, principal ma'am, and to our special guests. Of knowledge, Saraswati, you are pervading all beings and everywhere in the form of knowledge, wisdom and consciousness.
Now, we will have our traditional auspicious lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Ma Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge.
For this, we would like to invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Apurav Devganji, DC Chamba, and the school management for lighting of lamp. Please, sir.
evil lived in different worlds, Devalok and Asurlok.
Good and evil lived in same world, Ram and Ravana.
Good and evil lived in same family, Pandavas and Kaurava.
Good and evil live inside the same person.
So,
Today
we are about to witness some great dances, some great talents. So let's gear up for a beautiful startup of the show.
You know, sir, what is a Chalisa?
Chalisa is derived from the Hindi word chalis. Chalis is a collection of 40 चौपाइस. केसरी नंदन नाम है, श्री राम भक्त हनुमान है. जो भी आता है इनकी शरण में, उनके बनते बिगड़े सब काम हैं. तो आपके सामने एक प्रस्तुति लेकर आ रहे हैं स्कूल के छात्र छात्राएं. जय श्री राम. इनकी आवाज़ सुन के तो मेरा मन भक्तिमय हो जाता है, क्योंकि इनकी रिहर्सल मैंने देखी थी. बहुत ही प्यारा गाते हैं.
सुगम अनुग्रह तुम्हारे तेते राम
बहुत ही खूब। बहुत ही खूब गाया छात्र छात्राओं ने। जय श्री राम आप सबको। आप सबका जीवन बहुत ही मंगलमय हो। आज का दिन बहुत ही ख़ास है। यहाँ वाइब्स जो है बहुत ही पॉजिटिव हो गई हैं, पहले से ही हैं ऑलरेडी। तो जय श्री राम आप सबको। प्रोग्राम से पहले
This was just a beginning. There are yet more fascinating performances to come. Now, I would like to invite our worthy principal ma'am on the stage for sharing annual report of the school with our guests and parents. Please, ma'am.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We all are present here to celebrate 18th annual day function of Kids International Senior Secondary School. On this delightfully crisp October evening, I warmly welcome each one of you. आप सभी का हार्दिक अभिनंदन। एक अरसे से हम इस शाम की प्रतीक्षा में थे। सप्रेम हमने आज की योजना की है। इस शाम को यादगार बनाने के लिए हमारे बच्चों ने लगभग 20 दिनों तक जी तोड़ मेहनत की है और आज किड्स कार्निवाल की इस शाम को 4 चांद लगाने के लिए हमारे बीच हैं मुख्य अतिथि रिस्पेक्टेड श्री अपूर्व देवगन जी, डीसी चंबा। श्री अपूर्व देवगन जी इज़ एन ऑफिसर of the Indian Administrative Services belonging to the batch 2015. He has done mechanical engineering and masters of human resource and organizational development. He had held several charges like Sub-Divisional Magistrate Banjar, Karsog, Additional Deputy Commissioner Shimla and Member Secretary HP State Pollution Board, Shimla. Sir, you are a true inspiration to young generation. इसके अलावा हमारे बीच उपस्थित रिस्पेक्टेड श्री जितेश्वर सूर्या जी, डिप्टी डीईओ, दर्शन जसरोटिया जी, ऋषभ शर्मा जी, पंकेश ठाकुर जी और सब एजुकेशनल डिपार्टमेंट के सभी फैकल्टी और सारे पेरेंट्स, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स और अपने प्यारे बच्चों का मैं हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ। टुडे वी हैव रीज़न टू रिजॉइस। Spread in lush green and pollution-free environment, we launched ourselves on 11th April 2015. Our first assembly had 11 students and 6 teachers. And today, we have more than 350 students and a team of 35 teaching and non-teaching staff. आज जब हम पीछे मुड़कर देखते हैं तो खुशी से फूले नहीं समाते। Memories of our first tree plantation, putting up our first notice board, setting up the smart board, and still vivid fresh in our memories. I often ask the question, what makes a good school? Is it the teachers or is it the students? Is it the curriculum or the facilities? The principal or the parents? The obvious answer is, of course, a combination of all these, and yet the answer is different for each school. Having said that, schools do get categorized on the McKinsey scale of poor to fair, fair to good, good to great, and great to excellence. To steadily go from good to great and to excellent requires a carefully engineered roadmap with clearly defined resources, processes, taking all stakeholders with the shared vision. The world is defined by the people who live in it. At Kids International School, we create a challenging environment where young children have the confidence to learn, the freedom to feel, where they can discover what really matters for them and realize their potential for the coming years of 21st century. parents, students are changing at an incredible pace. That children have different learning abilities that they learn by doing. Keep it in mind that the teachers must play the role of only a facilitator. That multimedia and smart technology are great game changer. Are all facts we need to appreciate, upload and recognize, thereby fostering the fine sensibilities of child. Summing up, we need to change a classroom experience rapidly. We need to change outdated colonial school system. कुछ वर्ष पहले मैंने जब एक टीचर के रूप में अपना करियर शुरू किया था, तो मैं अपना एक एक्सपीरियंस आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ। जब मैं एक बार क्लास में पढ़ा रही थी तो अचानक से एक बच्चा उठा, तो उसने मुझसे प्रश्न पूछा, मैम वाई आर द मोस्ट वाटर वाइट। तो आप जानते हो, अचानक से उठे इस क्वेश्चन को सुनकर मैं थोड़ी ठहर सी गई थी। मैं कहना चाहती थी कि शायद ऐसा इसलिए कि पानी ने सारे रंग धो दिए हैं, इस वजह से ऐसा है कि वाटर वाइट दिखते हैं। लेकिन मैंने बड़ी हिम्मत के साथ जवाब दिया, क्योंकि ये कोई ऑथेंटिक आंसर नहीं था कि बेटा मैं नहीं जानती, बट हम इस चीज़ का पता लगाएंगे। तो उस बच्चे ने बहुत ही एक उत्सुकता के साथ, बड़ी सहजता के साथ कहा, ओके मैम, हम इस चीज़ का मिलके पता लगाएंगे और हम जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि ऐसा क्यों होता है। उस दिन मैंने दो बातें सीखी थी। पहला कि बच्चे किसी भी चीज़ के प्रति सोचने के लिए एक अलग नज़रिया रखते हैं, और दूसरा बच्चे मिलकर कोलैबोरेटिव जो स्टडी होती है, मिलकर कुछ सीखने की भी, मतलब उनकी एक इच्छा होती है कि हम कोई भी काम करें कलेक्टिव कोलैबोरेट होकर काम करें। वैसे भी जो छोटे बच्चे होते हैं वो स्कूल पढ़ने के लिए नहीं आते हैं, वो अपने दोस्तों से मिलने के लिए आते हैं, उनके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करने के लिए आते हैं, पर हम बड़े लोग उनको पढ़ाई में लगा देते हैं। In Kids International School, we have learned to listen, so children will talk. We have learned to talk, so children will listen. तो सवाल ये उठता है कि आजकल की स्कूल की शिक्षा प्रणाली जो हम फॉलो कर रहे हैं, क्या वो बच्चों के लिए रेलिवेंट है? क्या वो मीनिंगफुल है? क्या ये बच्चों के सर्वांगीण विकास की ओर ध्यान देती है? I believe great school must have few rules. Our children learn that responsibility that comes with freedom. We want them curious, amazed and adventurous. Our school equipped world-class infrastructure, modern smart classrooms, labs for all disciplines. It is indeed a place where health and hygiene, safety and vigilance for every child is monitored. Every time, good governance, individual learning, glance say that we care and want to change the world I can't into I can. You all will be glad to know that we have upgraded our school up to 12th standard for medical and non-medicals from previous session. And right now, we are having approximately 40 students in each class 10 plus 1 and 10 plus 1 plus 2, medicals and non-medical streams. We are also preparing them for NEET, JEE, NDA and other competitive exams. Now coming to the board result of 2022 and 23 session of class 10th, our students proved excellence in their academic performance. Niyati Suri scored 97.71%. She stood on second position of district level and 11th position in state level. Palvi Suri scored 95%, Arpit Kumar 90%, Harshita Bharadwaj 87%, Amanat Khan 87%, Insha Khokar 86.28%, Sahil Shehnaz Ritika 85%. इतना ही नहीं, हमारे स्कूल के बच्चों ने को करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़ में भी अपनी प्रतिभा का लोहा मनवाया। Maulik Suri, son of Shri Ashish Suri of class 8th, got gold medal at district level and gold and silver medal at state level for karate tournament. Pavika Thakur, daughter of Shri Pavan Kumar of class LKG, got gold medal in district tournament in karate competition. Chirag Suryavanshi of class 8 got bronze medal in taekwondo state tournament and selected as district referee for taekwondo. Like every year, this year too, our students participated in block level Children's Science Congress, in which Gaurika Sharma, daughter of Shri Surendra Sharma, got second position in senior secondary science activity and selected for district level. Vaishali, daughter of Shri Kapil Sanyal, got third position in senior science activity and selected for district level. Mayank, son of Avtar Singh, got third position in senior secondary maths activity. He is also selected for district level. Devishi Khanna, daughter of Mr. Hem Khanna, and Avni Vishist, daughter of Mr. Ravindra Kumar, got third position in senior urban science quiz at block level. इस सब के लिए आप सभी छात्र और पेरेंट्स बधाई के पात्र हैं। आप सभी लोगों का विश्वास है कि किड्स इंटरनेशनल स्कूल दिन प्रतिदिन नई बुलंदियों को छू रहा है। मैं आप सभी को फिर से विश्वास दिलाना चाहती हूँ कि आपके जो हमारे आने वाले रिजल्ट्स होंगे वो इससे भी बेहतर होंगे और आप भी महसूस करेंगे कि आपके बच्चे सही हाथों में हैं। Now I would like to thank our worthy chief guests, special guests, parents, media partners. I hope you have wonderful evening ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your precious words. Now, I would like to invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. Apurab Devganji, and I also request to Chairman Sir and Principal Ma'am, please escort them. Please give a huge round of applause. Next one is Maulik Suri, son of Mr. Ashish Suri of class 8, got gold medal at district level and gold medal and silver medal at state level in karate competition. Next, Pavika Thakur, daughter of Mr. Pavan Kumar of class LKG, got gold medal in district tournament in karate. मैम भेज दो पाबिता को। मैम ऐसे लेट के लिटा के रखने को बोल रहे हैं वो ना डिस्टर्ब। Next is Chirag Suryavanshi of class 8, got bronze medal in Taekwondo state tournament and selected as district referee of Taekwondo. Gaurika Sharma, daughter of Mr. Surendra Sharma, got second position in senior secondary science activity at block level and selected for district level. Vaishali, daughter of Mr. Kapil Sanyal, got third position in senior science activity at block level and selected for district level. Mayank, son of Mr. Avtar Singh, got third position in senior secondary math activity at block level and selected for district level. Devi Krishi Khanna, daughter of Mr. Hem Khanna, and Avni Vishish, daughter of Mr. Ravinder Kumar, got 3rd position in Senior Urban Science Quiz at block level. Class Nursery. Bhargav Singh Bhardwaj, son of Mr. Ashish Bhardwaj. Divyanshi, daughter of Mr. Sandeep Kumar. Hayan Thakur, son of Mr. Satish Kumar. Tiana, daughter of Mr. Dharmender Singh. Krishnav Thakur, son of Mr. Pankesh Kumar. Please come on the stage for award. Krish Guleria, son of Mr. Rohit Singh. Lipakshi Thakur, daughter of Mr. Amit Kumar. Mitakshi, daughter of Mr. Ravi Kumar. Rishabh Chauhan, son of Mr. Parveen Kumar. Riyansh, son of Mr. Anil. Ramanjit Kaur, daughter of Mr. Paramjit Singh. Sarthak Thakur, son of Mr. Nagesh Kumar. Shivanya Bhardwaj, daughter of Mr. Yograj. Satvik Dhiman, son of Mr. Yogesh Kumar. Vivan, son of Mr. Ajay Kumar. Vedika, daughter of Mr. Neeraj Kumar. Hetvik Kashmiri, son of Mr. Anurag Kashmiri. Drishika, daughter of Mr. Rajan Chaudhary. Jasmine, daughter of Mr. Rahul. Nivriti Thakur, daughter of Mr. Pavinder Singh. Arish Thakur, son of Mr. Rashik Kumar. Himanshika, daughter of Mr. Surender. Rishika Chauhan, daughter of Mr. Vishal, and Savrit Jaryal, son of Mr. Vikas. Anshuman, daughter of son of Mr. Yad Bahadur. Avneet, son of Mr. Divan Chand. Dharvik Mahajan, son of Mr. Naveen Kumar. Divyanka, daughter of Mr. Sanjay Kumar. Kashvi Kashyap, daughter of Mr. Rohit Kashyap. Kriday Thakur, son of Mr. Parveen Thakur. Krishav Thakur, son of Mr. Yogesh Thakur. Kiara Mahajan, daughter of Mr. Vishal Mahajan. Pavika Thakur, daughter of Mr. Pavan Kumar. Prajwal Minhas, daughter of Mr. Bablu. Ritvik, son of Mr. Amit. Ridhansh, son of Mr. Narendra Kumar, daughter of Mr. Parveen Nath. Sahitya Mandla, son of Mr. Ravi Kumar Mandla. Simran, daughter of Mr. Baldev. Yugank, son of Mr. Virender. मैम इनको सेट Harsh, son of Mr. Bablu, Advita Mehta, daughter of Mr. Rakesh Thakur, Shauryaveer Thakur, son of Mr. Pradeep Singh, Karnav Kashyap, son of Mr. Balvinder Singh, Garvit, son of Mr. Narendra Kumar, Falak, daughter of Mr. Yashpal Singh, Rohit Verma, son of Mr. Vijay Kumar, Yatvik, son of Mr. Pankaj Kumar, Kashish, daughter of Mr. Subhash Singh, Shaurya Pringle, son of Mr. Ajit Kumar, Samaksh Rajput, son of Mr. Samrit Kumar. Next, Yajur Matlotlia, son of Mr. Deepak Kumar, Shrishti Kashyap, daughter of Mr. Ashutosh Kashyap, Arav Sharma, son of Mr. Surendra Kumar, Mahim Badotra, son of Mr. Tarun Badotra, Yathat Bhadwaj, Manan, son of Mr. Ashok Kumar, Ayush, son of Mr. Tekchand, Nabita Shah, daughter of Mr. Pamesh Chand, Mayank, son of Mr. Anil Kumar, Garb Kukreja, son of Mr. Amit Kukreja, Yashwin Sharma, son of Mr. Rajiv Sharma, Ryan Ron Sharma, son of Mr. Palkesh Sharma, Mr. Pankaj Selgotra, Ahana, daughter of Mr. Ashraf Mohammed, Tapsi Sharma, daughter of Mr. Happy Dev, Myra, daughter of Mr. Sahu, Dikshita, daughter of Mr. Lokesh Kumar, Mannat, daughter of Mr. Ashish Kumar. Next is Smara Mahendru, daughter of Mr. Nitin Mahendru, Dikshit, son of Mr. Amit, Ira, daughter of Mr. Vinod, Ayan Sharma, son of Mr. Chetan Sharma, Danish, son of Mr. Raj Kumar, Yatish Bhadwaj, son of Mr. Shiv, Tanmay, son of Mr. Ajay Kumar, Riyansh Thakur, son of Mr. Manoj Kumar, Shivansh, son of Mr. Than Singh, Sampada, daughter of Mr. Amit Kumar, Vedant Singh Rana, son of Mr. Harish, Divya Kirti, daughter of Mr. Vinod Sharma, Akhil Sharma, son of Mr. Arun Kumar, Shravya Rathore, daughter of Mr. Pradeep Rathore, Vanshika, daughter of Mr. Sohan Lal, Navya Bhardwaj, daughter of Mr. Shani Kumar, Sanaya Kumari, daughter of Mr. Ravi Kumar, Yuvan Soni, son of Mr. Manish Kumar, Manvi Soni, daughter of Mr. Manish Kumar, Saksham Suryavanshi, son of Mr. Thakur Singh. Next, Divansh, son of Mr. Hukmender Singh, Rudra Thakur, son of Mr. Sunil Kumar, Taksham, son of Mr. Hem Raj, Kiara Mahajan, daughter of Mr. Akhil Mahajan, Suvarna Thakur, daughter of Mr. Pradeep Kumar, Tejas Kashyap, son of Mr. Vishal Kashyap, Yatvik Gurdas, son of Mr. Hem Raj, Vidushi, daughter of Mr. Tek Chand, Kavyansh Thakur, son of Mr. Ravi Thakur, Matiksha, daughter of Mr. Raj Kumar, Sanvi Sharma, daughter of Mr. Ajay Sharma, Chauhan, daughter of Mr. Keval Chauhan, Aditi Raj Thakur, daughter of Mr. Prem Raj, Yuvan, son of Mr. Ajay Kumar, Nitika, daughter of Mr. Singho Ram, Priyansh, son of Mr. Manoj Kumar, Atharv Chadda, son of Mr. Abhinav Chadda, Anshika Tandon, daughter of Mr. Ajay Kumar. All the students of class 9, 10, +1, +2, please come on back side the stage. All the students are requested. Mannat, daughter of Mr. Manoj Kumar, Kanika Thakur, daughter of Mr. Sunil Thakur, Tanmay Thakur, son of Mr. Lucky Thakur, Ishant Sharma, daughter of Mr. Suresh Kumar, Yashveer Rana, son of Mr. Karam Singh, Arnav Sharma, son of Mr. Dinesh Kumar, Shivansh, son of Mr. Pyar Singh, Himani, daughter of Mr. Jay Kishan, Anish, son of Mr. Chan Singh, son of Mr. Rakesh Nath, Gaurav Bhardwaj, son of Mr. Rajneesh Kumar, Yatharth Verma, son of Mr. Rajesh, Rakshit Thapa, son of Mr. Devjang Thapa, Shamita Jaryal, daughter of Mr. Surender Singh, Vishali, daughter of Mr. Kapil Sanyal, and Ahad Malik, son of Mr. Amir Malik. Next, Namasbi Pandit, daughter of Mr. Maldev, Akshita Sharma, daughter of Mr. Sonu Sharma, Ayush Sharma, son of Mr. Sonu Sharma, Ayush Thakur, son of Mr. Than Singh, Vaibhav Kapoor, son of Mr. Anil Kapoor, Kashish Khanna, daughter of Mr. Chetan Khanna. Sahil Thakur, son of Mr. Surendra Thakur, Karan Goswami, son of Mr. Lakshmi Nath, Ayu Joshi, son of Mr. Vikrant Joshi, Rudransh Luharch, son of Mr. Rajiv Kumar, Hashita Bhardwaj, daughter of Mr. Rakesh, Nikhil, son of Mr. Kuldeep, Shehnaz, daughter of Mr. Hanif, Pallavi, daughter of Mr. Avtar Singh, Pranjal, daughter of Mr. Sanjeev Kumar, Dikshit, son of Mr. Jagdish Chand, Gaurika Sharma, daughter of Mr. Surendra Kumar, Bhavishya Jasrotia, son of Mr. Pavinder Singh, Payal, daughter of Mr. Suresh Kumar, Samriti Sharma, daughter of Mr. Yugal Kishore, Amit Thakur, son of Mr. Rajkumar. Next, Ujjwal Chauhan, Mr. Joginder Singh, Ganeshka, daughter of Mr. Vijay Kumar, Jatin Kumar, son of Mr. Narendra Kumar, Abid, son of Mr. Subhan, Mansi, daughter of Mr. Sanjeev Kumar, Apurva, daughter of Mr. Raghubir, Mayank, son of Mr. Avtar Singh, Akshay, son of Mr. Jagdish Chand, Richal Pringle, daughter of Mr. Yogesh Pringle, Vaibhavi Mehra, daughter of Mr. Sudhir Mehra, Himanshu, son of Mr. Suresh Kumar, Shivangi Gupta, daughter of Mr. Rakesh Gupta. Thank you, sir, and thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.